For regress. Commander 9-9, please report back to IG's cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poldan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Now we're gonna go on the ship.
You are clear for launch.
Someone's in there!
Pokhara bound personnel, this is your final call on board. I just want to be sure that once you're responsible on board, transport is away in 30 seconds. Good.
Open your hyperdrive.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport take off in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive need to get out of view.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Then we got system scan create.
Affirmative.
Then
Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor? Are you sure?
Then we can create.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. We route. We route. Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta gear up now so transport can make the jump. They're all over us. I'm hit.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Our hands in front to make this a fair fight. Don't worry. I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. and feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Passengers of TR-141, you will all have been identified as enemies of the First Order and you will be treated accordingly. Is this all the resistance has to offer? Off the ship now. Is that just me? 2 times?
Right hand side of the hangar bay down the corridor towards the detention block. Keep it moving.
I always wanted to be on station. Well, this is the closest to it.
Right this way. Right ahead. And on up, I'll tell you where to go. And on up, I'll tell you where to go. How many? 3? This way. Wait. And on up, I'll tell you where to go. 7 of us, correct? 6. This way. Take this center line and follow it all the way down to the very end. 2 of us, just follow right after the 6.
Single file right here. Me and your unit. 4 of you will stand here on the blue. The remaining 2 on the red over here. Resistant sympathizers, as you see, I've assigned you all a color you should be standing on. Learn this color well, as it will be needed for your interrogation and will not be repeated to you after you leave this corridor. This will be your only form of identification aboard the finalizer here. We do not care about your name nor where you came from previously. If you forget this code, there may be consequences to pay, and what those consequences will be, I will leave for you to find out. Do we have an understanding? What did I just say? You forgot. Maybe if you put down the data pad once in a while, you would be paying attention to what is happening. You understand the severity of what is happening. It seems that the cell is prepared. Great, proceed in first. Red and blue, you will follow.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Open it. They're kicking us out or breaking us
Why
out.
is there Spider-Man there?
So we're basically prisoners. Not we're ready.
We're with the resistance. Remember the color they assigned you. Let's get you out of here. Let's go. Green, orange, blue, red. They assigned you a color. Let's go. All right, front row this time. Hands up and tug the tag on your right side. On your right, tug that yellow tag. You see a yellow tag on your right? The seatbelt? There you go. Pull it. Pull it. There you go. There we go. Pull it. All right, watch your hands and feet. Doors closed. Our guys are going to get you safe here. But keep your disguises on at all times. It's done by facial recognition. They've yet to ID you, so keep those on, all right? Who here's good with droids? You're good with droids over here? You're good with droids? Yeah? Okay, if he freaks out, you're in charge.
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Approved, droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention to level D. If anyone's making a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods just blew us. Wait up, why are you waiting up? That's really bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pocket.
Escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.